What's going on, everyone? Today we're talking about Concept 2048. So before we get in, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. Let's roll the video and have some fun. So here it is at concept2048.com. Now you can see as soon as you come onto the website, we've got projects up at the top, NFT, buy out, about, and contact. And it looks very contemporary. All right, we love this. The links are down below. Please only use trusted links. Now the strengths and differences from other collections, okay? Quick overview. Concept 2048 is a unity of two visual artists specializing in art, fashion, and conceptual production. Okay, as you scroll through the website, you'll start to see a lot of the concept in, the fashion, moving on to what you can move into reality with the contract and the NFTs. Now, NFTs are created by real artists and are a work of art, not just a picture. Okay, that's a big difference looking at the images here. NFTs are not generative, they're created manually, so there's a lot of work that is going into making these. All right, it's allocated an impressive budget for marketing. The promotion is carried out in 5+ languages using several channels, Telegram, Twitter, Reddit, stuff like that. And you can get all of these at the bottom. We will have a look at their Twitter very soon, but get on their socials, Twitter, Discord, Instagram, YouTube, things like that, at the bottom of their website. Now, NFT project is implemented on TON plus ETH multi-chain. So have a go to the NFT project part of their site. As you can see here, these incredible metamorphoses NFTs here. So free pre-sales have actually already passed. On the first pre-sales, all available NFTs were sold in about 18 minutes. That's unheard of, especially coming through 2022 in crypto. Okay, looking at their story, you can see the story of the NFTs are a ray of light sent to Earth by the universe, sent here to glean why the universe was dimmed and why its pulsating glow weakens with every passing day. So going in total about these, a community of more than 80,000 people is following the development of the collection right now. 2048 NFT of everything, which is not much. Okay, that means that there's a secondary market demand will exceed supply. So the pre-mint for the price, let me just show you. So guys, I'm jumping over to the Telegram now, but I'm just gonna quickly tell you, okay, the pre-mint price is 0.29 ETH. The public mint price is 0.49 ETH. If you want to get on a whitelist spot, all you gotta do is click on the Telegram link that is down below. Okay, there's 3 simple steps to this. As soon as you click it, you'll see when you come in here, the pre-mint NFT collection. Okay, Morpheus collection in 13 days away. That's from the 9th of January if you're reading it here. You can go on the Forbes website and actually have a look at the article talking about this. But to get on the whitelist, all you have to do is follow these rules. Okay, so click here, trust the link. It is the official Telegram if you go and buy the website, and it's going to ask you to sign in to Discord. Guys, before we get into the bot, I want to show you 2 incredible articles talking about how amazing this is. Okay, so we have Crypto Daily. If you go down, it can tell you all about it, the exhibition, everything that's going on, okay, and gives you a little preview as well for the metamorphoses. Now, they're incredible, all right? I love these. Another article talking about them, let's jump there now. The big one, Forbes, talking about metamorphoses as well. Guys, when you're getting talked about in Forbes, you know you are a big player. So guys, what you want to do first is just hit join whitelist. Okay, once you've hit that, hit the big button in the middle again, and it's going to take you to the Telegram bot. Now, once you've opened Telegram, it's real easy. Okay, it takes you to this bot. You hit the start button. Super simple. If it doesn't happen, press restart again, and it'll come up with a menu tab. Hit check wallet, and then you're going to copy and paste this right here, but entering your wallet. Okay, so simple as this. Just type enter. Or you can just copy and paste it, check _ wallet, and then paste your wallet, okay? Real easy, like this, with the bracket, and then you are going to go, the bot will recognize it, and it'll say subscribe to the project's Twitter, okay? You click this Twitter link, and then subscribe to it, and then you are going already. So next step is subscribing to the Twitter. Guys, once it's sent you to the Twitter, just give a big follow. If this doesn't say follow, okay, then just hit it. I've obviously followed already. It's at Concept2048 if you haven't. And guys, you need to see the teaser. You need to see everything that's going on in here. Please follow the steps with that bot to get access to maybe the whitelist of this project, guys. That's all you got to do. Then you can go back to the bot and play around with it as much as you want. Okay, guys, super easy. Guys, thanks for watching this video. Concept 2048 is incredible. Okay, and what I want you to do is to subscribe to their Twitter, wait for the pre-mint, and fill out an application in the whitelist in order to have time to buy the NFT 2 times cheaper than on the public sale. okay, just go over to www.concept248.com and /NFT-art. Okay, links are always going to be down below, guys. I'm super excited. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I will see you next time.